I'm literally playing with my streaming heroes right now today. Like, this is a dream come true. Didn't I say it was gonna be a good day? Didn't I say it was gonna be a good day? Oh, come on. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Just Zach here with the newest, latest, and greatest video that we have for you guys today. The previous clip that you guys just saw was something of a dream to me. The people that we were gaming with in this video here that you're about to watch, it has been a lifelong goal and dream of mine to be playing with them. I've been following Speros and Yungstaz for the longest time, since late high school and early college, and Yungstaz also brought his friend Jojo in, which he is a blast, all right? He is a fantastic blast. We played a great game, we had some fun, and I was pretty much fangirling over this whole situation the entire time. You know, little puppy dog eyed, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm playing like this. The feeling will never go away no matter how many times I play with these guys. Remember, guys, to click that subscription and the notification bell so you know when the next videos go live. But also, our goal for today is 50 likes on the video, and we would love to have this be shown to as many people as we could possibly reach out to. Also, I do stream on Twitch every single day except for Sunday. Links down in the description below. Go check those, go follow, and become a part of the Just League on more than just on YouTube. Deep breaths, bro. I feel like we need some yoga up in here right now. Just like a little bit this. A little bit of that. Yep. Maybe bend over a little bit, but we're not bending over the other way. I'm no cam girl. My
man's got the dojo.
Bro!
Yo.
Speros!
Are you ready right now?
Speros was literally the first streamer that I ever followed.
My app.
There's no way.
They're not gonna fix it.
Tell him you weren't cheating, LOL. Oh, no, he doesn't remember that. There's no shot. There's no shot that he's like, yeah, hey, I remember you. You're the guy from police station that shot me in the face. And you killed Sally as a dog and all that other stuff. No. He doesn't remember that.
Where are we going?
I'm down to go wherever you want to. Throw a dart at the map, and that's where I'll take you, baby girl.
I'm going hospital. There's gonna be 8 million people here because of zombies. There's gonna be so many people.
Oh man. All right. Hospital drive. All right.
Look at him. Look. It's incredible.
Oh my gosh.
All those chickens. I mean, I really got the heli too. That's tough. Oh, good luck, Jojo. You dead, bro.
Yeah, Jojo. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they all got guns. No. I just landed on my right. I have an RPG. Where's the heli?
I don't even know, to be honest.
Oh, I missed him. Well, that's an RIP.
Oh no, he's one shot.
I found a second RPG.
Oh my god, that's gonna scare me.
I'm sorry. I get loud sometimes and I just can't help it.
Oh no, you're gone. No, I mean, I scream for no reason. Like, if I die, you'll know.
Oh, right on us. All up on us. Oh, hello.
Oh,
He's
nice.
one.
Ooh.
That guy's armored.
He's cracked, yeah.
Fine, I got you.
Oh, I thought I was out of the gulag, but that was just me fighting.
Dude, wait.
Oh, they changed the gulag down.
How did I just get melted like that, dude? I'm taking fire. Wait.
Oh no, I got
I'm about to
murdered.
reset this, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be down. That's okay.
I'm not upset. I would not be mad.
Nope, not at all.
All right.
Does he stream Jojo? I think so. I think Jojo streams. Jojo said DaBaby made a song about him, so. Gotcha. Oh, I'm hard committing to Jojo, I mean. Ah, never mind, Jojo's dead. I can't hard commit anymore.
He shot my claymore.
He shot my claymore.
I'm so much better than these kids. It's ridiculous.
Are they holding hands, walking with each other up and down the aisle?
Yeah.
Thought so. Here, Young, drop your money. Drop your money. I'm gonna get Jojo, because I love him more. Wow. I mean, my voice just cracked. I'm 24. Okay. Oh, Speros, my chat wanted me to tell you this. You were literally the first streamer, content creator I ever followed in my entire life, and it's a pleasure playing with you. Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Dude, well, I'm
Thank
excited
you.
to play
I
now.
appreciate it.
You said thank you, I appreciate it.
Like, I'm not even kidding. I found you on YouTube one day, live streaming, and I was like, I'm gonna watch this dude.
Dude, you're a legend. I know,
No, you're a legend.
You're a legend.
Oh my gosh, I got so many C4s in here.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Wait, who was saying that?
It's Jojo. This is why I bought him back. See, we needed these quips. We needed this. This was gonna bring up the team.
The fucking guy I killed saying that.
I'm in the middle of something, but I'm not sure where I am.
Speros is 400 meters away. Wait, what?
I was finishing the scav for the boys.
He's
Oh,
lost
man.
Sacrifice himself.
There
for
was
the
a
boys.
guy up top. I was not ready for a man to be on the roof. Like, scared.
I'm on my way.
Harry Potter timed out.
Man, that poor guy. All he wanted to do was go to Hogwarts. That's it. Jeez. Oh, we got the zombies. Let's go.
Come eat you.
This is the bad time.
This is not the best time. That clan tech gives you like 20% more movement speed, right?
Oh my god, yes, something like that. It's something with cheating. I had to download something from a website to get the clan tag. I don't know, it's weird.
J-tag?
Yeah, I J-tagged my Nintendo Switch. Can you imagine if we? I would totally play Warzone on Switch.
Call of Duty Mobile is fire. And it's on the phone.
No, that's it's kind of crazy.
It's crazy. Like if they want to be money hungry, they could just put that game on the
Yeah.
consoles and they'd make so much.
Oh yeah. I mean, they get more content on the mobile game. I don't understand why.
Oh yeah, they just added high rise. They got high rise terminal.
All
Yeah,
the
zombies.
dude.
Ah, dude, terminal. Oh man, brings back some bad memories. I'm gonna tell you what, dude. My buddies never let me live this down. So like, I was such a bot way back in Modern Warfare 2 that I was climbing down the inflatable the slide by the plane, and I backed up into my buddy's claymore for the last kill of the game. He put it right behind me, and I killed myself, and it shouldn't have been that way.
Yeah, they're weekly.
I downed one. Oh!
Nice shot, dude. I got your full.
Gracias, senor. Oh my gosh, chat. Speros said he has my full. Okay, we're done.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go retire. Retire from Call of Duty.
I need to learn Spanish.
Was that a ray gun?
Oh, de nada. I know Spanish. De nada. Boom. I had to think about it. It took a second to click, but it's there.
He's right above me. Hey, he's just chilling here. What's up, pal? He's down. Bye-bye. TTV Tweeto? Oh, I just got sniped by his buddy. In Narnia.
Oh, you guys are finding real people. I'm sitting here training.
I've been stuck.
That's crazy.
I down one.
There's two over on the green building. Be careful.
Two down. They're self-resing. They're self-resing on the green building.
On top of it?
No, on the bottom. Bottom. Out front. This man's playing like a freaking hip-hop radio up in his mic. Oh. Okay, well, didn't see him.
Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location. Enemy UAV
I should be guys top red still.
No, I killed the guy top red.
Franchised.
This parachute in top red right now.
Okay, well.
There's another red over here. I think he.
Oh yeah, top red where I killed the first kid. Landed back on his stuff.
Yeah, he's gonna. I can get your full kill in a second.
He's in the right.
You can streak it.
Gracias, senor.
He's like bye.
Friendly precision airstrike inbound.
My buddy.
Another one down. Level.
I guess I killed another one up there.
Give me the. Oh no, it's a dead
You
body.
got the extra tentacle now.
Top green, top green.
Top green. I was gonna say I'll get your full kill.
Ooh, spicy for a sniper.
Wow.
Why don't zombies kills count as kills?
There'd be some like 8-year-old out there. He's like, I dropped 50 kills in Warzone, new world record. Take it easy, guy. I'm on my way.
I'm just following Zach. I don't even know where he's going.
I don't either, actually. It's such a bad idea.
If someone wants a reactive AUG, bro, it's right here. I already have one.
Oh my gosh.
It's been literally like 20 minutes.
Well, dude, I had it. It's so pretty. Like when it starts changing colors, I like flashy things. It starts flashing in my eyeballs. I was like, oh my
I
god.
can't put it on because people think I'll buy it.
Come
Why not buy it?
really
Who
young?
cares?
You're part of the problem. Clipped. Streamers exposed.
Load out behind us.
Oh, they're all up on top there. Drive-by snipes. They all just got ghosts.
Back down to Tomato Town.
Oh, they all gotta be ghosted, huh?
Yeah, ghosted.
Except for the guy on
No.
the building. Oh my god, RPG. All right, I'm going to the.
RPG Randy over here.
Sitting in them.
That was terrifying.
Down
They're
the guy
definitely,
on
they're
building
definitely
to
all up there with RPGs. Just be careful going up the stairs.
Go up the stairs, got you.
They're gonna shoot the stairs with the RPG.
Go up the stairs, got you.
I can feel it already. I'm getting RPG'd, but I'm okay with it. I say
I don't
that.
speak
now.
Spanish.
I'm gonna scream the top out.
They threw a mine right out the door here.
No,
One just jumped off. I fell with him. Oh!
Hard contact here.
One's off on the back left.
Down him.
Nice. You're nuts.
I don't think that's all.
No, there's not.
Oh, watch out. There's
Maybe one more.
oh, there wasn't mine just sitting here.
Should be one more.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, stop
Hello?
rounds in the big.
About to get
I'll
it.
cross in the street.
I don't know how crazy.
Oh, they got trophy down there. These kids are freaks.
Enemy cluster.
Oh, we gotta go. Oh, wait, no. Oh!
Handled it.
Thank you.
Oh, don't buy me. Oh no.
Oh, sorry. All right.
Is
just saw
Chipotle's
your
about to
name
get here.
on
Didn't
the
you hear him?
That's okay.
I don't mind playing.
I was during the Chipotle Invitational. You just eat and play, bro.
He's gonna invite the Chipotle man or Miss in to play with him.
It'd be so fire.
He's like, hey, just take over really quick. I'm live. Just go ahead, take over. You got this.
That would
Getting
be an
DoorDash
insane
driver their
video.
first Warzone win.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, that'd be the perfect video.
Now you guys are thinking.
Jojo, my chat is asking if you stream because they want to follow immediatamente.
This guy is
Not
on this
anymore.
right here.
Oh my god!
What do you mean not anymore?
Crossing, broken right here at the bar or at the bus.
What gun was that?
I don't know, but she
I had a
got
Mac
owned.
with stopping power rounds. Didn't miss a bullet. He 180'd me and hip fired me with a Farah.
Is he hacking?
Bara,
Nah, he wasn't hacking. The kid's just a freak.
I want to snipe this kid out of the heli really quick. Coming at us.
Did someone just drop $100 on the buy?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I can't make it to the buy. I don't have a gas mask.
Drop your money.
I see. You want Speros with shiny guns. Okay.
Boom,
I'll make sure to
boom.
spend more money.
Stimmy time.
Literally, dude, I spent all my stimulus on COD points. It was incredible.
$1,400. That's like 2 battle passes right there. Helicopter in the distance.
Yeah, see
They're
him
in,
at the
like,
buy.
those tubes.
In the garage now.
I'm going up
Now
the
behind the
zip.
crate.
Garage down.
Love that. Oh my god, those are way short.
Oh, he's selfing right there, bro. I dare him to peek me
Oh.
again. I dare
No,
you, sir.
what?
Broke his armor.
Unless someone can come up the
I'm
zip.
going backside. I'm going backside.
He's still in
No,
there.
I'm dead.
Just chilling in there.
Up the zip and thirsty me.
No. What a hoe.
Down him again.
Let's play together.
Yeah, I'm popping Daddy and flying at the kid in the cubby. And the guy up top should peek.
He jumped down to the left. He jumped down left.
Help. I got 2 on me.
Yeah, I got that guy down.
1 dead.
Wipe.
Yeah, that's him. That's the wipe.
Yeah, there's people
That's-
hot at that buy.
Yeah.
You guys can get those kills if you want. That's free real estate.
It's free real estate.
Guns don't come out
I'm
there
dead
with
right here. To my
14.
right. Watch out. Be careful.
That who
I don't even see
Top
these
right in
kids.
The restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
Acknowledge waypoint coords.
Peek it again. Oh, what? Oh, man.
I'm
I'm
back
doing
this way.
Oh, that's a bad idea,
Yeah,
Zach.
I'm literally just running right to the buy. There's so many people. Over
Yeah, that's a
here.
good idea. Like my
What
pea
if
brain.
he stick the buy?
Oh, guy to my right, or to my left. He's in the bushes.
What
He's a bush Wookie. Get him.
the hell?
Stick the buy.
Oh my gosh, guy in the trees. He's just sitting in the
no,
trees
sir.
right here.
On the move.
I'm chilling. If I die, NBD. If I didn't, you fucking.
He might be hacking.
Hopping on board here for the post-game interview. How does it feel to get smoked by Yungstaz, arguably one of the best
Oh, they weren't
Warzone
cranky.
players? Anybody
give
have
a
any
fuck.
comments?
They're like, oh,
Yeah, John,
okay.
I don't think they're ready to comment here. They've already walked back to the locker room.
Yeah, they're not here. They're in the ice bath trying to recuperate. It's over.
They're trying to rethink their next game strategy. All right.
Oh my god.
They're just not built.
Imagine if people actually talk shit. That's hilarious.
All right, good game, fellas. I'm coming out.